What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to catch multiple spikes on boom or crash. And as you can see right now on crash 500, we managed to catch all these spikes all the way down. So I'm going to show you guys how you can also do it. As you can see, we entered into a sell trade right there and we started catching our spikes all the way down to where the current market price is. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do the same and be able to do multiple spike catching using a very simple strategy. We also managed to catch some spikes on boom 1000, and I'm going to show you guys as well how we managed to catch all these multiple spikes on boom 1000. We were buying and we managed to buy and catch all these spikes all the way up. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set up the strategy first and how you'll be able to analyze the market so that you can catch some spikes. So the first thing that we need to do is we still going to apply our trading principles of having a top-down analysis each and every time we want to enter a trade. So we're going to be following top-down analysis, and we're also going to be doing some time frame blending in order for us to be able to catch these spikes on our 1 minute time frame. Okay, so the first thing that I want us to do is to set up the strategy. The first indicator we need is a moving average, and it is on a period of 14. The shift is 0. The method is exponential. Apply to close. There are no levels on this indicator. And on visualization, please allow it to be on all time frames, as we are going to be moving even from the 1 hour time frame up to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and on your style, I'm going to choose this green color for my indicator and then click done. And as you can see down below, we now have a green moving average running across our chart. The next indicator that we're going to need is also a moving average, but this time it is going to have a period of 50. The shift will remain as 0, and the method will also remain as exponential. Then on apply to, it's closed, and again there are no levels on this indicator. Then I'll simply change the color for this one to a red color, and then I'll click done. And as you can see, we now have the red line as well on my chart. Then moving on, we're going to need a stochastic oscillator that's going to help us understand the momentum of the market, where the market is coming from, and the way the market is headed. And it's also going to help us with the spike catching, with analyzing our markets and looking at the most likely market direction that could be taken. Okay, so we're going to add a stochastic oscillator, and it is going to have the following properties that you see right there on my screen: a percentage gap period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, price field of low over high, a method of simple. And then we're going to need levels. We're going to need these two levels, our level 20 and our level 80. Now I have labeled my level 20 as a buy zone. You will see as we progress why it is a buy zone, and I've also labeled my level 80 as a sell zone, and you'll be able to understand as well. And then on my style for the levels, I chose the black color. You can pick any color of your choice, and then I'll click done. And right here, I want you guys to take note of the styling for the stochastic oscillator. Please make sure that your main and your signal have the same color as your background color, so that you don't get confused with multiple indicators showing on your chart. And then once you're done, just simply click done, and what you see down here is we now have our stochastic oscillator, but it only has got the buy zone, which is from 0 to 20. This is our buy zone, and our sell zone, which is from 80 to 100, which is up here, and nothing else is inside. This is exactly how it should be done. Okay, moving on, we are going to need to add our final indicator that we're going to need, and it is going to go under our indicator window 1. It is right here, and it's going to be a moving average, but this time the period is going to change. We're going to have a period of 10, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and again there are no levels on this one. And I'll simply change the color to black on my style, and once I'm done, I simply click on done. And as you can see down below, we now have the black line. Now let's get into how you can catch some spikes using this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. I hope you have done the proper setup, and if you have not watched how this strategy works in detail, please make sure you check out my previous videos where I've been explaining about all you need to know on this strategy. All the videos are available right here on this channel. Just go and watch the videos after you finish this one. So let's get into how you can then do the spike catching. Number one, if you want to catch spikes on Boom, this applies for all the Boom index we have, be it Boom 500, Boom 300, Boom 1000. You can use this strategy. The first thing is you want to identify the position of this black line. It should be in your buy zone right there, resting in your buy zone like that. That is your first condition, right? Then you want to have candlesticks above your green line. So you want to have candlesticks above your green line. Once you see candlesticks cross and be above your green line, that's your second condition. Now, what we are now doing is either you go to your 1 minute time frame and look for when the green line crosses with the red line, or you can simply go to your 5 minute time frame and also look for when your green line crosses with your red line. So we're talking about this position, right? That's where you see the golden cross, and that's where you start pressing your buy trades for your Boom 1000. If you want to catch these spikes, you simply got down to your 5 minute time frame or a 1 minute time frame and look for the golden cross after you have the first two conditions that I talked about. I don't know if that was clear, but that's how you are supposed to do it. Okay. And you can, as you can see, we were able to catch multiple spikes. So the first thing was you have the black line down there. Second thing, in your 1 minute time frame, you can see that you cannot see the golden cross as quickly. You can see the golden cross quickly down here, right? The golden cross occurred. That's when you're supposed to start. But in your 5 minute time frame, the golden cross is a little bit above. It's right here, right? But it's pretty much the same region where you want to start. So it's around here, and the one from the 1 minute time frame is here. Okay, and as you can see from those levels, you could have bought, boom, and be profitable. It's almost a zero drawdown trade that you will be getting into. Let's take a look again on Crash, and you see that we have got the same concept, right? On Crash, start from the 1 hour time frame, of course. We mark that our black line is now in our sell zone, which means we're looking for sell trades. And we can also see that the price crossed to be below our green line like that. Then I rushed down to my 5 minute time frame. And from the 5 minute time frame, you can see that there was a golden cross right around here, and we immediately ended just after the golden cross at this stage, and we sold our Crash 500 all the way down, as you can see, like that. And if you go to your 1 minute time frame, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. From your 1 minute time frame, you can actually see that the golden cross came a little bit earlier, so we could have started at least at this region up here. That's when we started to see our grid line and our grid line crossing each other. But nonetheless, even though it seems like it's a late entry, we still managed to grab all the pips that the market offered. So it's as simple as that. You start off from your 1 hour time frame and you rush down to your 5 minute time frame for a confirmation, and you'll be able to catch these beautiful sell setups. This applies only for Boom and Crash, because that's the only area you can do this nice spike catching. You can also then use the strategy to be able to avoid your spikes. So let's say you want to go in another direction of the market, which is not catching spikes. You can simply use this strategy to help you identify when the spikes are most likely going to happen. Okay, let me look at Boom 1000 for the last time so that you guys can clearly see what we are talking about. So There's so many ways now you would have traded this strategy. Could have simply followed a simple buy trade if you don't want to catch spikes, or you can just do that way. If you want to catch spikes, this is what you will do then, right? You first identify that you are in a buy zone right there, of course, and you also have to identify a break of market structure, which means that you want to have your green line again crossing to be above your red line. No, you want to have your candlesticks crossing to be above your green line, okay? And then in your 30-minute time frame, you can start looking for the golden cross. You can see that the golden cross started off here in your 30-minute time frame. I'm sure in the 15-minute time frame, it was a little bit earlier. Yes, of course. In the 15-minute time frame, the golden cross was a little bit lower, and you could have simply entered into a simple buy trade, which has got nothing to do with you catching spikes or doing some spike catching or spike detecting. Okay, so you still can trade it a normal way, but if you want to do spike catching, you go to your 1 hour time frame, then jump straight to your 5-minute time frame and your 1-minute time frame, and you'll be able to catch these beautiful spikes. The same concept still applies on Crash 500. If you just want to trade in line with the trend, still identify your buy trade, right? Break of market structure, go to a lower time frame like a 30-minute time frame, look for the golden cross. As you can see, it happened right there. In your 15-minute time frame, it happened a little bit earlier, as you can see. So the same concept still applies, even if you want to hold for long. But if you are spike catching, here is the catch. You now need to know when to close your trade. So let's say you start from here. When are you going to close your trade? You're going to close your trade the moment you see this black line then coming from the top and reaching your buy zone. So let's say you ended this sell trade. You're going to exit it right at this stage, because that's when your black line touched your buy zone like that. So that's how you exit that one. The same thing applies even on Boom. Let me show you where you were supposed to exit. So you entered at this stage, right? And you can see that this was because you were in a buy zone like that. And the moment your price moved and touched your black line, touched your sell zone, that's around there. That's when you were supposed to exit. So I was supposed to enter and exit at this point, and that's the maximum number of spikes that I can get if I'm just doing spike detecting. But if I'm trading for long, I can even hold that trade for even longer if I'm not catching spikes. So tell me guys what you think about this strategy. I will be posting setups in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. You can join for free. There are over 8,000 in that group, and I post different things in that Telegram community. My setups, signals, strategies, anything that can help you grow in your trading journey is in that free Telegram channel. So feel free to join it. Like I said, the link is in the description box below. And as you guys know, on each and every video, I do give away a free spot in our VIP signals group. Yes, I give away a free spot in our VIP signals group. And for you to win that spot, all you have to do is to make sure you're a subscriber, like this video, and comment down below, because I'm going to be picking winners from the comment section, and I'll check if you have liked and if you are a subscriber. So comment down below if you want to win the next free spot. But in this video, our winner, I'm going to put them right here on our screen. And congratulations, you've won yourself a free spot. Come and trade with us for free for the next 30 days in our VIP signals group. And to the next winner, make sure that you comment something interesting. Be the first to comment, or comment something interesting in the comment section down below, and you'll be able to win that free spot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get to 100 likes. Until next time.